Hello there, Dan Henry here at Fox 4 in Dallas with a look at the cap. That's a word that we throw around a lot during our weathercasts here at Fox 4, but some of you may not fully understand what it is. I'll tell you though, it oftentimes can make or break a spring forecast here in North Texas. The cap refers to a warm layer of air, stable layer of air, up around 3, 4, 5,000 feet. It develops as southwesterly winds bring that warm air in at that altitude. Rising air, once it meets that cap, loses its buoyancy, and so on that type of setup, you typically get these lazy cumulus clouds, but not much more than that. In fact, you can think of the cap like a pot of water on the stove. You turn the heat up, it's got a lid on it, and steam may be rising from the water, but it's being held tight by the lid on top of the pan itself. Once you lift that lid, that steam readily rises. That's about the same thing that happens in the atmosphere. So how do we lift that lid here on a day when we do have the cap? Well, you can have additional heating, additional lift provided by a cold front or an upper air disturbance, and that can give enough boost for rising air parcels to punch through the cap, and when they do, you can see pretty explosive thunderstorm development and the likelihood of severe weather. So hopefully you're a little bit more armed with knowledge here about the cap, which plays a critical role on many days here, especially spring weather days in North Texas.